Welcome back to my vlog. Today is Sunday, and usually Sundays we go to church and we do a little bit of errands, and we are back from Trader Joe's, and I want to share with you guys some of my favorite things to buy from there and a little haul. So first off, I'm really excited because they have their Harvest Apple Salad Kit back. I don't remember the last time I had this. I feel like it's been a couple years, but I'm glad that I was able to find this because this is one of my favorite salads from them. It's just really delicious. I also had 3-cat tea, which is so good. I usually always buy spinach. It's really part of my weekly groceries. But what's nice is now they have new packaging. It actually has like the Ziploc on the top, which is really nice because I've been actually just clipping them with chip bag clips, yeah. So now it has one, so it'll keep my spinach a lot more fresh. So I got some spinach. I also got some portobello mushrooms. What I really like about Trader Joe's too is that a lot of their stuff come in small packages like this. So it's really nice, especially if there's not a lot of you in your household. Like it's me and my husband only, so we don't need like hundreds of mushrooms. I also got Campari tomatoes. If you can see, like, it looks so fresh. Like, I'm so excited. I love adding little tomatoes into my omelets in the morning. And just anytime I need some tomatoes, I like that those are easy and small. Bag. This, my friend actually introduced to me, and it's been sold out for so long, and so I'm glad I found it again. And it's their spicy meat pizza. This stuff is so good. And it's easy, you just bake it. It's frozen pizza, but it's just so delicious. Honestly, it's not even really spicy, so if you don't like too spicy but really like a good pizza, like I highly recommend this one. We also got wild-caught unsalted sardines and spring water. So we do have a Frenchie Louis, and this one actually works really well to add into his meals, but my husband also really likes them, so we can share that. I also got cookie butter ice cream. This is going to be our second one this month because it's just so good. If you love cookie butter, like this is a must. Like I super love this. I also got the butter because we were completely out. And this is the cookie butter spread. Definitely a must in our household. We also got some bananas. Trader Joe's, I feel, has like really affordable, cheap bananas, and it's Dole. I'm very picky with my bananas, but Dole I will always eat, and we always get it a little bit more green so they last longer. And I believe that's everything we got this week from Trader Joe. We actually went last week as well, where we got some of our favorite frozen items from Trader Joe. Let me go pull them because I want to show you guys too, like how good their frozen items are. My last vlog, you saw that I always get these short ribs from Trader Joe. It's just so good. Another thing we like to get from Trader Joe is going to be their frozen kung pao chicken. This is so good. Like any day I'm like lazy to cook, I will grab this and just throw it on the pan. And then also their Mandarin orange chicken. Like you cannot go wrong with any of these frozen items. Like they're just so good. What else do I get? And of course we get our bread. This is the cinnamon raisin bread that I always get from Trader Joe. Yeah, I do keep my bread in the freezer, but I have this bread container or holder, if you will, and I usually transfer my bread into this so that it lasts a lot longer. But I also freeze them if I'm not going to eat like a whole loaf anytime soon, just because I don't want to waste anything. Hi guys, look what came in, my new walking pad. I'm trying to do better this year. I told myself I want to work out or run or walk. So let's open it. Excuse me, are you helping me open my package? Excuse me, nosy. Oh yeah, now you just want to play with the box. Okay, whatever. Louie, are you helping me? Are you helping me? He's helping me. Okay, enough. Here's my walking pad. It's white and cute. I bought this on Amazon. I think it was like $130. So pretty affordable. I can't wait to try it. I'm gonna have my husband bring it upstairs to my office, but I'm super excited to give this a try because like I said, we wanna be a little healthier this year. I shall give you guys an update when I use it, if I really like it or not. But also, hopefully I can stick to my words and try to get some walks in the morning. But I hope this is it and I'll change my life and just be healthier, guys. It's a new year. I want to eat better. I want to do more things for my body and just look better. I also got my order from Nespresso. I'm so excited. Let's restock my coffee area. So I'm kind of crazy when it comes to coffee. I have this whole drawer here that I usually fill up with a lot of Nespresso boxes, and that's why I had to order because we were really cutting close. We also have like instant coffee, which we don't really like, so I just have a lot of that there, but anyways, I'm going to restock this whole area. My Nespresso came, like I said, so I'm going to share with you guys what I always order from Nespresso. So I always have to have their double shot espresso for iced coffees. This is the blue one. It looks like this. I always order this, so I have to have it. So my husband always likes sweet vanilla, so I got 2 sleeves of that. So, and he also likes the roasted hazelnut coffee. So I always order 2 sleeves of that as well. And then for me, because I'm an espresso girly, like I said, I always get the blue iced double shot espressos. I love that. I'm more of an espresso girl versus Ernani's more a coffee dude. And then I also always order, and I have 2 of them as well, the Bianco Doppio for milk double espresso. This is the one I like for like my hot coffees. So this is something I also order regularly, and I always order 2 sleeves. Usually when I stock up for my Nespressos, I always buy 2 sleeves just because I like to always bulk order versus buying them one at a time. I ordered my Nespresso. They actually had a deal going on. If you buy a certain amount of sleeves, you get one free. So I got the golden caramel coffee for free. I've actually already tasted this. It's really good, but I only recommend it for people who really like caramel. Like, I'm not a huge caramel kind of girl, so it's not my favorite, but it was free, so we're not gonna say no to free coffee. Look how satisfying this is. I am loving all the coffee in this drawer, and it's a really big drawer, so you can tell we're huge coffee people here. So I upgraded my whole coffee syrup situation because we were using Torani for a while, and that's really, really bad for you. It has so many chemicals. So I was looking for alternatives, and I remember trying 1883, which is from Paris or France. Let me get that for you guys, put you guys here. It's so hard to make like makeshift tripods. Hope you guys didn't see my address there. So this brand, I switched over all my coffee syrups to Maison Routine, France, 1883. This is just a better version of any other coffee syrups out there because they don't use a lot of chemicals, and a lot of the ingredients on this you can literally pronounce. And if you can pronounce it, you know it's a lot better for you. So I have the sugarcane flavor, I also really enjoy their hazelnut because they have two kinds of hazelnut. They have regular hazelnut and they also have the roasted hazelnut, and this one I have is roasted. It's just a lot more nutty or flavor profile, and it just has a better taste overall. I feel like it tastes a lot more like Nutella, and like it's just really, really delicious and warm and comforting kind of taste. Again, like they don't use preservatives, they don't add color, it's just a lot better for you. So I have that flavor. And then the last flavor I have, of course, is French vanilla because your girl loves vanilla and I have to have it. And again, you know, when it comes to the ingredients, there's no artificial ingredients. It's a natural flavor, natural color, and nothing's artificial. So it's just a lot better for you. So switch over to 1883 if you're still using Torani. However, I did want to let you know this is not sponsored at all. Like, I'm just genuinely sharing, like, what I'm trying and what I'm liking. Because, like I said, I'm really trying to be better, but also, like, not really in the mood to sacrifice taste. Because I'm huge on flavors. So, yeah. So, give these a try if you like them and let me know. Here's my new work setup, guys. I have my walking pad finally installed and ready to go so I can use it for my stand-up desk. Oh, love it, love it, love it.
I could see it moving and chasing me.